How to sell your stocks on Webull. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually sell your stocks on Webull, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to actually sell your stocks on Webull, which is a stock application, unlike Robinhood and so on, the process is also very much simple. All you have to do is open the Webull application. Then if you've added the stock to your watch list, you can just begin tapping on the watch list and then selling it right away. But if you have not, then you can just go to the markets tab over here. Make sure you're under this specific country region, scroll down, and then you'll be able to see all of the stocks that you actually own. If you scroll down over here, you can see top gainers, and then you can see top losers, you can see the most active, you can see technical analysis, top options, and then index options, and you can see stocks. And you'll also be able to see a list of stocks that you've actually purchased and that you want to sell it. So if you find a specific stock that you want to sell, you can just tap on that specific stock over here, scroll, and then just basically tap on the sell option in order to begin selling that stock right away. Confirm it and select how much of it you want to sell, and then you should be able to sell it accordingly. That is simply how you can go ahead and then actually sell stocks on Webull. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.